You know how sometimes you visit a YouTube channel, and even before watching a single video, you just feel like subscribing? It's not always the content. Sometimes it's the look, the banner, the vibe. But here's the thing, creating a banner that actually fits across all devices, television, desktop, and mobile, without cropping off your text or cutting out the most important part, it's harder than it looks. Most people try to design one, upload it, then go back and tweak it again, just to make it fit into that tiny space YouTube gives us. And even after all that, it still doesn't feel right. If you've been there, you're not alone. That's why in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a clean, professional YouTube banner that fits perfectly on every device the first time. No stress, no endless re-editing, just a simple step-by-step that actually works. Let's get into it. So first, head over to your browser and type in canva.com. Once the site loads, click on the first result that appears. It'll take you straight to the Canva dashboard. This is the homepage where you'll see options for all sorts of designs like YouTube thumbnails, presentations, logos, and more. But since what we're trying to create is a YouTube banner, we'll go straight to the search bar on the dashboard. Click on the search bar and type in YouTube banner template. Then press enter. You'll now see a list of beautiful pre-made banners, each with different styles, designs, and colors depending on your taste and the type of content you create. Now take note as you scroll through, you'll notice that some banners have a golden crown icon on them. Like this one, I'm highlighting now. This means it's a pro template, and you'll need to upgrade to use it. But if you're using the free version of Canva, don't worry, just scroll and pick one without a crown icon. Those are completely free to use. I've seen one I really like, so I'll go ahead and click on it. Once it opens up, you'll see a button that says, Customize this template. Click on that. Now, Canva will open up a full editing interface where you can do so many things like add text, change shapes, adjust colors, and more. Now we want to make sure our banner fits perfectly into YouTube's recommended size. Click on Elements and select the square shape. Once the square appears on your design, drag it to resize it. We're going to set it to a width of 1,546 pixels and a height of 423 pixels. This is the safe zone where your content will display properly across all devices. Use the arrow keys or drag manually to resize the square. Once you have the correct width and height, go to the right-hand side, click the three dots, and select Position. Then click on Middle and then Center. This puts our shape right in the middle, which is exactly where your logo or channel name should be for the best display on YouTube. Now we're going to create guides to make sure everything is aligned properly. Look to the left-hand corner, click on File, then click on Settings. From here, select Show Rulers and Guides. Once the ruler appears at the top and side, click and drag a vertical line from the left to the edge of our shape, and another one from the right to the opposite side of the shape. Then drag horizontal guides from the top down to the top and bottom edges of our square. Now you'll see purple lines marking our perfect guide box. To clearly see what we're working with, click on the shape again. Then click on the three dots, select Layer and click Bring to Front. This brings the shape above everything so you can clearly see how the guides are placed. To make it even clearer, I'll change the color of the shape. Click on the color tool and pick a color like pink just so you can visualize how everything fits into the safe zone. Now drag the shape to fit perfectly within the purple guidelines. Once everything looks good, you can delete the shape. It was only for illustration. You'll notice the text might be too big or outside the box. We don't want that. So adjust your text, shrink it or move it left and right until it sits perfectly in the center. This way, your text will look perfect on TV, desktop, and mobile. Now let's personalize the banner. Delete the old text and click to add your channel name. In my case, I'll type Creative Jane. The font currently used isn't my style, so I'll click on Font and scroll through until I find one I like. I like this one called Gagglin, it really pops. Once I select it, I'll increase the font size a bit, but still keep it inside the guide box. Now I'll delete the small text under the name because I don't like the style. Then I'll click on Add a Subheading and type in what my channel is all about. AI tutorials, make money online. I'll also adjust the size to make sure it fits perfectly within the safe area. I want to add YouTube growth as well, so I'll add another subheading and type that in separately. Now let's change the colors to make them more attractive. Click on the text you want to change. At the top, you'll see an AI icon. For color, click it. You can choose from the default palette or type in a color code if you have one. So for Creative Jane, I'll leave the text white, it looks great that way. For AI tutorials, make money online, I want to try something different, maybe a light blue. If I don't see the exact color I want, I'll just paste the hex code for it. Then finally, I'll select the third text YouTube growth and change it to gray. Everything looks good now. Let's download the banner and upload it to YouTube. Click on Share in the top right corner. Then click on Download. Under File Type, Canva will suggest PNG, which is perfect. But if you want something else like JPG or PDF, you can choose from the drop-down. I'll go ahead with PNG and click Download. Now it'll start downloading to your phone or computer. Once the download is complete, head over to your browser and type youtube.com. Log into your channel if you're not logged in already, and click on Customization. Under the Branding tab, you'll see Banner Image. Click Change, and upload the banner you just created. Once it uploads, you'll see Viewable on all devices and a preview showing that your text is perfectly centered. You don't need to adjust anything. This method saves you the stress of cropping, resizing, and re-editing your banner every time. When everything looks good, click Done, then click Publish. You'll see a notification that says Changes Published. Now go to your channel and boom, just look at how clean, clear, and professional your channel looks with a banner you made 100% free on Canva. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you a lot. If it did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Also check out my AI tutorial playlist, where I teach step-by-step how to create AI music, graphics, videos, and more, even with free tools. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.